Okay guys, so guess what? I did a chemical peel on my face. You guys will see the video in probably about 2 videos from now. Maybe 3. But this is a very impromptu video. I saw my YouTube friends Kelly Rittenberger and Lori from Pretty Psyched do this challenge, and I was like, I want to give it a go.
I have no faith in myself, okay? No faith in myself.
Oh, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Bobbi, and we do beauty things here, okay? I don't always look like I have a white cast. I'm not albino. I have a bunch of sunscreen on my face because I did go on a walk earlier, and like I said, I did a chemical peel, so I have to protect my baby skin under here. Okay, so I feel like I want to do this 5-minute makeup challenge. Let me go to my timer. I have no faith in myself. I just would like to state that. Okay, but I have 5 minutes on the clock. I haven't even wet my beauty blender, so I may or may not be doing that. To be honest, like, who knows? But let's get started. Yeah. Oh, God. Okay. This is the Colorpop Tinted Moisturizer. And to be honest, guys, I feel like if I had 5 minutes, like Lori said in her video, I would not even bother. Like, legitimately, last Sunday for my job, I was really late. I was like 30 minutes late to my job, and I ran out the door. It's time to go. Okay, so like I had no time for that. Okay. Oh my gosh. I feel like I look like a ghost. This freaking sunscreen mixed with the Colorpop stuff. Jesus. Oh no. I'm sorry if you guys are hearing small children play. My son has his cousin and his friend over, and they don't know how to be quiet. So, oh gosh. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh, we're still over 3 minutes. Okay, cool. I think we're doing good. We're doing good. Okay, hold on. We're just gonna give it a little go here with the eyeshadow situation. Oh. Oh shit. Okay. I am playing games right now. Okay. Yeah. Haha. Okay. And oh, okay. Hold on. Oh yeah. Dry beauty blender. Oh, it doesn't look that bad. Hell yeah. Okay. You know what, guys? You know what I firmly believe? Glitter makes everything better. So, I'm about to throw hella glitter on my face. Yep. Oh, fuck. There's a reason that you put bronzer on after concealer. Okay. Oh, how is this going, guys? I feel like I low-key lost my mind, and I probably shouldn't even be doing this considering my whole situation. Let's just go ahead and blend everything together here. Okay, almost 2 minutes. or not almost 2 minutes, almost a minute and a half. Oh, okay, we're doing pretty good. We're doing pretty good. Okay. Oh, yes. Okay. This is not even a brush I would use for this. Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't have time for this. Don't have time for this. Oh my gosh. I haven't put a cold freaking eyelash curler on my eyes in a cool minute, guys. I don't like it. Oh shit, 30 seconds, 30 seconds. Oh my gosh. This is not optimal curlization, to be honest. Oh gosh. Ah! My wand got stuck in my hair. Oh gosh. Okay. Fuck! I didn't get lips. Okay, so I would have just put on this really quickly. Other than that, as far as for 5 minutes, I would be done. And for go-to lips and like bring with me kind of lips, stuff like that, I normally keep that in my bag anyways, and I would just like run out the door and put it on in the car driving down the street, because honestly I live in a suburb of Oklahoma City, and the suburb is a good 20 to 30 minutes outside of everything, so I would have to go into anyways. So but I got this, which I don't look like a ghost anymore. I feel like I bronzed this situation up enough to where I don't look like a ghost. My eyelashes are present and accounted for, even though they're not like super curly like I normally get them. I did get a little bit of stuff underneath of there, but I feel like I would get that off. Oh, I got mascara over here from it getting in my hair. Oh no. Okay, but whatever, that doesn't really matter anyways. That is my 5-minute makeup challenge. If you're subscribed to me and you have a channel, or if you just want to try this out on IG or something, tag me. I will link my social medias below like I always do, along with all of the products that I just attempted to use on my face. This is not, if you're new to my channel, this is not my normal content. Okay, I love a challenge though, so I love a challenge. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you liked my video, so go ahead, and if you haven't, smash the like button below, and while you're there, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I would appreciate it. It's for free. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.